let us see working of venturimeter. Now venturimeter is flow measurement device which is also variable area flow measurement device or flow meter, like rotameter we have seen previously. Now venturimeter is based on Bernoulli's principle. Now this Venturi and Bernoulli, these are names of scientists. Now what is Bernoulli's principle? Bernoulli's principle states that when velocity of liquid increases, then pressure at that point decreases. And similarly, when velocity of liquid decreases, pressure at that point increases. Bernoulli's principle also says that the product of velocity and pressure at a particular point by liquid is always constant. For example, suppose at this position there is liquid velocity is more, then pressure at exerts on this point is less. Similarly, if liquid velocity at this position is less, pressure exert on this point is more. That is, product of velocity and liquid at this point and product of velocity and liquid at this point is always similar or always constant. This principle is utilized by venturimeter to measure velocity of liquid. Now here is construction of venturimeter. Venturimeter is made up of two conical sections. Here is one conical section, here is another conical section, and connected to cylindrical throat. This is cylindrical throat. Now this converging part which is connected to inlet, it made angle of 20 to 22 degree with its axis, and similarly diverging part comparatively less angle, we can say 5 to 15 degree to its axis, so that liquid passes freely or without any obstruction between this pipe. Now this converging part connected to inlet and this diverging part connected to outlet. Throat, another one more point we should consider here, that throat is approximately half of the size of this pipe. Throat is approximately half of the size of this pipe, and the pressure difference between these two positions, that is inlet converging part or inlet and this throat, is utilized or measured using differential pressure manometer. For example, U-tube manometer in this case. Let's see working. Here is our venturimeter, and from this part our water is coming inside this venturimeter. Now initially flow velocity is less, comparatively less. When this liquid enters into this converging cone, its velocity increases. Again its velocity increases. Again when this liquid enters into this cylindrical throat, its velocity again increases. Now according to Bernoulli's principle, pressure exert on this point is more compared to pressure exert on this point, as liquid velocity is less at this point and liquid velocity is more at this point, due to which what happens, this U-tube manometer shows differential pressure reading, and this differential pressure reading is utilized to measure rate of change of flow. If liquid velocity is more, then this differential pressure is also more. If liquid velocity is less, then this differential pressure also less. Now this reading can be utilized to measure rate of velocity or flowed velocity or rate of flow. Now your venturimeter is also, what are the pros of venturimeter? Venturimeter is also active device, that is no external electricity required. Also any type of liquid can be used, as we have seen in electromagnetic flow meter, where non-conductive liquid cannot be used, so that electromagnetic flow meter cannot measure velocity of non-conductive liquid. Or in case of rotameter, if there is slurries present in liquid, then also rotameter cannot show us reading. Now this type of condition is not present in venturimeter. Venturimeter, any type of liquid can be used. This is working of our venturimeter.